You got it. Keep going. Right there.
A little bit more. There you go. 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 There you go.
3 out of 5.
Let's go.
Or 4 out of 6. Where's your truck?
It's over there.
Oh,
Oh! Right into the ditch. He was gonna go for a screw.
Oh, if you go fast enough, you'll clear that little landing.
Yeah. Oh, I should do a wheelie.
I know, but you're gonna get caught up over here.
yeah.
That thing's gonna pop you right back. This other side's gonna pop you back.
Slow. Once you get up that little thing, you gotta slow down.
Right, Sam, you go.
Go, Caleb.
Got it.
There you go.
Now turn your wheels this way.
Turn right.
Turn.
There you go.
Right there.
Slowly.
More there. Okay.
Slowly. Go.
Turn your wheel a little bit.